Hello children. So this is the continuation of yesterday's story of the talking parrot. So the next day, Rahul, Pragya and Aditi went to search for the secret room. On the way, Aditi told Rahul and Pragya about her grandfather. She told them that her grandfather was a priest till his 50th birthday. But after his 50th birthday, he suddenly decided not to become a priest anymore and he closed the temple. And then he started traveling a lot. And for the last 10 to 15 years, he has been traveling and most of the days he is not at home. Now, all this Aditi knows from her mother, and mother had told her about her grandfather. So, Rahul asked, "So, what happened to your grandfather? Where is he now?" So, Aditi said, He has not come back for a long time. So, we think maybe he's abroad, maybe he's in some other town, but normally he comes back after 2-3 months. But this time he has gone for a long time. Oh, so Pragya said, sorry, I thought maybe your grandfather is no more. So the parrot? So Aditi said, yes, the parrot, I have been taking care of it now and I give it food every day. While they were talking, they finally reached the temple and they searched everywhere for the room. Rahul looked at the different directions of the temple. Pragya went to the floor above. Aditi searched on the ground below. They tapped on the walls. They tapped on the floor. They tried to look for any place where a secret room could be kept. They looked in all directions, but nowhere they could locate the secret room. But anyway, they had a good fun with their new friends. They played hide and seek in that old temple. Then they came back home. When they were reaching home, they saw that in Aditi's house there was a police car standing outside. So they rushed inside and asked, Mama, what happened? Aditi asked. So Mama said, no, nothing. Somebody tried to break into Grandpa's old room and he doesn't seem to have taken anything, but we thought we'll inform the police. And that time the police inspector left and he went in the police van and he left. So Rahul, Aditi and Pragya were thinking, what are they trying to steal from Grandpa's room? There's nothing in Grandpa's room, only old stuff. So Rahul, Pragya said, can we see Grandpa's room? So Aditi said, sure. And they went into Grandpa's room. And the Grandpa's room had an old table, a large mirror, a big painting on the wall, lot of old books. And on one side there was a fireplace. And on the top of the fireplace, Rahul noticed that there were 3 taps. So he said, what is this? Is it for water, juice and beer or something? Why have they kept three taps on top of the fireplace? So Aditi said, I don't know, but there has always been 3 taps, but nothing comes out of it. So Rahul tried opening one of the taps. And as he was opening, that time the parrot came, push, come inside. And parrot said, 1, 2, 3, tap, 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 open the door, clap, clap, clap. So Pragya asked Aditi, why does the parrot keep saying this? Why does he say 1, 2, 3, tap, tap, tap? So Aditi said, it is not something which I taught. This parrot was saying it at the time of grandfather only. At that time, what was Rahul doing? Rahul was fiddling with that tap. And he opened the first tap. Then he saw nothing came. He opened the second tap. And when he opened the third tap, what happened? As soon as he opened the third tap, there was a sound. And the fireplace moved. Okay. And behind the fireplace, there was a door. Aditi was shocked. Pragya was shocked. Rahul was shocked. What is this door? Pragya said, don't tell me. The secret room, is it right here in your own house and not in the temple? And we were searching all over the temple and maybe the secret room is here. So Aditi said, I was not aware of this door, but how do we open it? And they tried pushing it and they tried all kind of techniques, but the door was not opening. There was no handle, but it looked like a door, but there was no handle at all. Then Aditi said, wait a second, why did the door open? Is it because Rahul opened those taps? Pragya got it. She said, yes, yes, I know what it is. I know what it is. It is what the bird keeps saying. The bird said, 1, 2, 3, tap, tap, tap. That basically meant to open the 3 taps. So Rahul said, that's all fine, but why are you so excited? The door is still closed. How do we open the door? So she said, it's very simple. We have to say clap, clap, clap. And she said, near the door, clap, clap, clap. Did anything happen? Nothing happened. Then Aditi said, rather she didn't say, she clapped. And as soon as she clapped 3 times, that door opened. And the bird again said the same song. 1, 2, 3, tap, 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 open the door, clap, clap, clap. And then the 3 children entered the secret room. Now, in the secret room, they were thinking, what will be there? What will be there? Will there be gold? Will there be treasures? And they were all excited and they went inside. And they went inside, they found the one wall full of books, some paintings. On the side there were some bags, an old typewriter, and some all kind of old junk. So Rahul said, is it really the secret room or is there some other room we are talking about? There was a study table there. On the study table there was one diary, and Aditi went and she opened the diary, and in the diary there was notes made by grandpa, a very old diary, but it has lot of writings in it. So Rahul and Pragya said, there is some mystery here. Why did grandpa hide this room so secretly? What was special about this room? So Aditi said, I think I should tell my parents about this room. So Rahul and Pragya said, maybe we should wait and see what it is before we tell our parents what exactly is the secret room about. So the children started wondering, what could the secret room be for? What was the purpose? So it was getting late. So Rahul and Pragya said, today we will go, but tomorrow is a Sunday. We will come in the morning and then we will explore this room a bit more. So Aditi said, yes, yes, I also don't want to do it right now. And they stepped out. And when they stepped out, they started wondering how to close the door, how to get the setting back done. So they were thinking. Then Pragya said, shall we try closing the tap instead of opening the tap? So they closed the 3 taps. First the third one, then the second one, and the first one. And then suddenly the door got closed. Okay, so now they understood how to go into the secret room and how to come out. But tomorrow they will try to understand why exactly the secret room was so special for grandpa. Okay, so with that we finish today's story. Okay children, thank you.